Do you know that you can make money on Poppo without going live? That's right. There are a lot of people that are making so much money on Poppo by being an agent and without live streaming. That is why in this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to become an agent even if you are a total beginner. Be it that you have never even heard about the Poppolive before. If you watch this video till the end, you are going to know how you can become an agent, different ways agents are earning money even without going live. If all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. On this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So to make more money on Poppo, you need to become an agent. Don't allow anyone to deceive you, because if you become an agent, it has a lot of benefits. Number one, you start earning commission from people and every activities under your agency, from the agents that you refer down to hosts that you refer. There are a lot of bonuses on becoming an agent. And before you become an agent, you need to get to some level. But right now, even as a level 1 host, as you join today, you can become an agent today. So how do you become an agent? For you to become an agent, if you are a newbie, you must definitely sign up to become a host so that you can get your ID to become an agent. So I'm going to show you practically how that is done. So for you to become a host, right, I'm going to drop a link right here. So you just click new registration, new host registration link right here. If you click on it, it's going to take you to where you download the app and register immediately. But right now this video is about becoming an agent. So the moment you register and you have your ID, you do your face authentication, I'm going to link a video that will show you step-by-step registration process for becoming a host. But this video is about those that are serious and want to make more money as an agent. So for you to become an agent, just come to the description of this video right here, this video that you're watching. You can just click on more to see, right? You click right here again, this more, so that you see the link. But if you cannot get here, you can just check the comment section. I always pin the comments in the comment section, so you can see this agent registration link. You just click on it. It's going to take you, I'm going to use Chrome to open it. The moment you click on open with Chrome, it will bring you right here. So if you come right here, the next thing you need to do is you are going to put your Poppo ID. So if you don't have an ID, you need to go to your Poppo, like right here. This is my Poppo, right? I'll just click right here, this 3557180, and copy. So once you copy it, you come back to that page, right? And then paste your Poppo ID. The moment you paste your Poppo ID, all right, you are going to click right here to get verification. So I don't want to click get verification because I'm already an agent. So immediately click on this get registration, get verification code. A verification code will be sent to your Poppo. So if you come to your Poppo, you just click on this message right here. If you click on the message, you will see Poppo have sent you verification code. So you come back here and then paste your verification code and then click on submit. The moment you click on submit, you will see congratulations, you have become an agent. So, and this is where the works begin. So right here, let me come back to my Poppo, right? As you can see my dashboard right here, I have earned 1,100 USD that I can withdraw. So you can also withdraw it to any, either to your local currency or USDT, but me, I always use USDT because of my currency used to lose value sometimes. So what then do you do? That is where the work starts. So if the moment you become an agent, you need to start working. You mustn't come live. I have a lot of people that don't go live, and believe you me, 99% of this earning, this income you see, is because I'm an agent and it's coming percentage from my agency. So if you become an agent, right, there are percentage of the income that is coming to you based on your level as an agent. So as an agent, the moment you sign up, you are a level D agent, and a level D agent, you are earning just 4% commission under all the activities that is under your agency, right? So, and if you work harder, you will go to level C. Instead, from D to C, you'll be getting 6%, right? You will go to level B. You'll be getting 8%. You will now be getting 12%. Then you get to level A, which is you'll be getting 16%, and level S, which is 20% of activities under your agency. And that is why someone that is under my agency now, as I am a level S agent, if the person do the same exchange in your own agency, if the person is in your agency that you are just signed up, you are a level D agent, you'll be getting only 4%, while me, if it is under my agency, I'll be getting 20%. So how does that happen? So first of all, the moment you become an agent, you need to understand this. You need to start inviting people, either as an agent or as a host. So how do you do that? Like right here, if you come to your dashboard, you can just click on this invite. The moment you click on this invite, right, you are going to see invite now. You click on it, right, and then you can share any of this banner, any of it. If you click on share, you can now click on copy. So the moment you copy, that is what the link you give people, your referral link, so that they can sign up to become a host, right? But that's not where the money is. But you can also do that, right? The other way you can make real more money, like if I click on this invite now, let me show you something. You can see I have earned 12 million blah 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 from inviting people to this app alone. So the other way you can also earn is by inviting agents. So you click on this agent. So the moment you click on agent, right, you scroll, you see this invite agent, you click on it. Once you click on it, you now click on share. Any of it will go. So the moment you click on share, you are going to see this copy. You now click on copy and copy it so that you can invite people. By so doing, what will make you move from level D to a level S, it depends on how much income you make within 30 days. So once you become an agent, if you click on this agent, right, you are going to see how much level you are. So you will click on this. My own is showing 20% now. So if you click right here, you can scroll down to see. So as a level D agent, you are making 4%. As a level C agent, you need to earn up to this 20,000 or 200,000 points within 30 days, so that you move to the next level, and so on and so forth. So for you to get to level S, here it is. You can just pause to read, or go and check when you become an agent, so that you can double your hustle. So how do you recruit hosts? Aside from inviting them, you can also start making people to invite them to join your agency. So you need to let them know, okay, the moment you sign up, this is how you join. So like if you want to join my agency now, in the description of this video, I'm going to drop a link to join my agency. The moment you become an agent, all you need to do is to make them understand that all they need to do to click my agent. So if your host use your link to become a host on the Poppolive, they should click on my agent and then put your own ID, like my own ID now. Anybody that's watching this video, you want to join my agency, put 3557180 and then join. Okay, that is how people join your agency, right? But the main money is coming from the agents that you refer. That is just the truth. I just have to let you know this. So how do you receive your payment? If you want to see the income you are making, you can just click on your host on your point right here. You can click on your point. You will discover that from the beginning that I started making video, from now to now, my point I've added. You can just click details right here. I don't want to show people's details. You can click details right here to see how many people, how much you are earning from each agent and everything. You are going to see that. So how do you withdraw your money? Of course, right here, if you click on withdraw, right? When you click on withdraw, you click on withdraw now. When you click on withdraw now, you are going to put in the amount of money. Like right now, if I want to withdraw, I can withdraw 1,100, right? And then I'll click on done. Then I'll click on submit, right? It will ask me to confirm it and put my ID, my password, but I don't want to withdraw it now, right? I want it to get to 2,000, right? Because I needed it for something. If I remove it now, I'll spend it. So that is how you make money. So you need to stop staying on the fence. I decided to make this video because there are people from the start that they wanted to quit the app because they don't understand how it works, or they are not making money, and they keep coming to my panel, and I started encouraging them. I started explaining to them in this detail, which then I will just be live streaming, or if I come to live and I will see people sending me message, sending me points, gifting me because of how I was able to explain this for them on the app. But I've not done a video Even right now, this video is supposed to be more practical than this, but because if I want to go deeper, I'm going to share some sensitive information of people that have become agents or using my referral link, and that is not fine. So because of that, I'm not going to do that. But I've done over 80 videos, almost 100 videos about this app. I'm going to drop in the description of this video. But I also want to share with you another thing. If you really want to make more money in this year, in this jet age, you need to create content, right? Creating content also really helped me. Some people promote and advertise their agency with paid advertisement and all that, but me, I create content, so I get it organically. So if you don't have money to be spending on advertisement, why not create content, talk about Poppo and all that, and you're going to earn so much. So I want to do a video. I've done a video before now explaining in detail how each income is coming and how it's being calculating and how much you are getting. So that video is outdated and there's so a lot of update now. So if you are interested in that video, just comment how Poppo income is being calculated, or calculate Poppo income. Just comment it. If I get up to 15 persons that are interested, I'm going to do a detailed video, which I know is going to take me time because of editing. I have to crop out some information, other people's profile and all this, but I'm going to do that video. Is a promise and I'll fulfill it. So just drop a comment. If you have any question about Poppo, drop in the comment section of this video. I want to go live on Friday so that I can take one-on-one question right here on this my channel on YouTube. But if you have any question, also drop in the comment section so that I can do video answering all your most frequently asked questions. And if I've already do a video that is recent with your question, I'll just reply in the comment section with the link to the video that will explain to you practically how things are being done. I just want to tell you thank you so much. I greatly appreciate you. Have you noticed that I've been flaunting my hair? I bought it from Aloma. Let me enjoy Poppo money. Like, I'm feeling guilty using this hair. So this is human hair, 100%. So yeah, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking. Using this video, using this hair, make me know that I'm actually getting old. Until I call you away again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.